10 of the highest paid freelance jobs. Tired of your 9-to-5 job? You are not a tree. You can move around. So, what is holding you back? If you're looking for a new job that pays handsomely, we have wonderful news. In this video, we'll go through 10 of the highest paid freelance jobs you should pursue. Do you want a greater wage with less work? Do you want to be your own boss? Make sure you watch this video until the very end because some of these jobs don't even require academic degrees or experience. But just before getting started, I want to welcome you to Invested Knowledge. Knowledge is power, and I will teach you the most accurate and up-to-date tips, ideas, and tricks for you to start making money online. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel, smash that like button, and turn the notification bell on so that you will be notified every time there is a new video uploaded. And please, leave a comment below if you enjoyed it. And thank you very much for watching. Number 10. 3D Model Animation. Are you proficient in 3D modeling? Do you know that your abilities are in great demand and that you may be your own boss? Gaming, medical, virtual reality, marketing, TV and film, and even manufacturing are examples. So don't feel confined to one company for the rest of your life. You can diversify your portfolio to fit the sectors you want to enter. Commit to establishing your brand while sourcing clients. Make an excellent portfolio of your work and partnerships. If you are a newcomer, don't be afraid to provide free services, meaning you receive free marketing and it helps build your portfolio. Salary starts at around $19 hourly for a novice 3D modeler. That's a fair bargain for a freelancer. And if you're afraid of quitting your 9-to-5 job, no worries. It may always be a side hustle before it pays off. Number 9. Coding and programming. We've heard the term programming before. Programming involves transforming a design into computer commands that a computer will obey within a website. You get paid around $30 an hour for working 40 hours a week, Monday through Friday, even though there is more and more opportunities to work from home. A tight association between networking and analytical work will allow you to profit from free knowledge gained during your work. First, you need to learn the computer language, but after you do that, the rest is easy. Most occupations will soon be digitally based, thus learning programming will be a fantastic asset. Number 8. Digital marketing. As the need for digital marketing grows rapidly, so does the potential for big revenue. Onboarding clients on the services offered by various companies is the marketer's responsibility. The various chances that come with the package can be used to further your career. Those who choose to keep their digital marketing consultant job might earn around $100,000 each year. Learn digital marketing basics online via multiple publications. Number 7. Online teacher. The world of education and learning is rapidly becoming more and more digital. Since the start of the epidemic, several schools and educational institutions have used and switched to virtual learning. This means you could teach anywhere around the world without leaving your home. You could easily teach things you know well, even if you don't have a master's degree. The school administration will ask for academic records, recommendations, and testimonials if you wish to teach college. They'll probably run a criminal background check on you to make sure you're not a felon. Then you might be offered a job with several responsibilities. Fortunately, most institutions pay around $42 per hour. They also help you increase your education by providing you discounted master's or PhD programs. When you're a senior employee, you get to choose which responsibilities to undertake and which ones to delegate. Number 6. Graphic designer. Graphic design is the most lucrative freelancing career idea, but it's mainly just for creators who know how to use high-tech professional design tools. A graphic designer with years of expertise may earn up over $50 per hour, while a rookie could earn from $20 to $25 per hour. Some customers will expect you to hold a degree before giving sensitive tasks to you. A solid portfolio will also help you. A graphic designer's normal work week is Monday through Friday. Extra hours are fairly typical in this industry, but ultimately, you are your own employer and you can refuse any assignments that need you to work extra. If you're unsure whether graphic design is a long-term career, I can promise you it is. The amount of organizations shifting to a more digital platform, from manufacturing to marketing, and now even to how to sell to customers, demonstrates this. Number 5. Professional photographer. Unlike most of the careers on this list, photography requires you to leave your house to work. You'll need to choose gorgeous places that attract customers. When picking photographic locations, focus on aesthetics, because today's generation values beauty above anything else. Choosing a type of photography to pursue is a personal decision. You might want to photograph portraits or weddings. Culinary photography is another unusual yet fascinating genre. I bet you didn't expect that. Pick any that suits you well and take a shot at it. A good photographer can earn up to $20 per hour. You get to travel a lot and meet a wide range of individuals. If you're lucky, you could get to meet people from other countries and cultures. Number 4. Copywriter. If you are considering topping up on your talents, don't forget to seriously consider copywriting. Online research identifies it as one of the most lucrative side hustles nowadays. Learning some copywriting abilities can not only make you huge cash, but it will also open new doors for you. Like any other field, it has several sub-branches, but direct response copywriters are renowned to make the most money. A profession as a copywriter requires nothing. The position demands you to write marketing materials in a way that encourages the reader to take action. Copywriting was recently classified as one of the highest paid freelancing professions. Number 3. Virtual assistant. It's not surprising to hire a virtual assistant as more and more businesses rely on virtual offices. A virtual assistant will assist your customers with administrative tasks as required. They often include scheduling meetings, appointments, and secretarial and bookkeeping duties. But those aren't your only responsibilities. You may work from home or any other location. All you need is a connection to the internet. Since there is no actual workplace to report to, there's no such thing as a dress code. In video meetings, clients will appreciate you dressing up and looking tidy and professional. You must acquire your own computer and internet service. And who wouldn't be happy with a salary starting around $60,000 a year, right? Number 2. Makeup artist. Nowadays, it seems like everyone is a makeup artist. I'll reveal the key to why this career choice is so popular. You need passion and imagination to bring someone's ideas to life. Keep up with the hottest cosmetic trends. Your clients will love your attention to details. As a freelance makeup artist, you choose your own hours, from the days you accept employment to the working hours that suit you best. If you don't mind working remotely, this is a terrific chance. You may start earning from $18 per hour and up without quitting your day job. Imagine what you can achieve by varying your talents. Do you want to work as a regular makeup artist or a movie makeup artist? Or maybe a bridal makeup artist? The opportunities are limitless. Boost your internet profile by putting stunning before and after makeup photos on your feed. You could even establish a YouTube channel and teach others how to apply cosmetics for additional revenue. The sky is the limit with the passionate minds. Just before we get to the last mindset needed to be financially successful, please remember to hit the like button if you enjoyed the video and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Number 1. Content creator. Working as a content developer is not only flexible, but can also be lucrative. Countless individuals have retired and used the numerous social networking applications available to monetize their social media. The like button on apps such as TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram has propelled many to fame. All you need to start your new profession is a camera and some good material. This new digital era allows you to make money by publishing interesting stuff on your phone. Take action now and do it. Innovating new vocations can be done as a freelancer. Anything is possible nowadays. That's it for 10 of the highest paid freelance jobs. If you love similar content, don't forget to take a look at my other videos. Stay tuned for future videos.